Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sebastian, and today we'll be doing an install on our Tacoma here. We will be replacing our TRD Pro grill with our new Tacoma Lifestyle Stealth Grille. It's a really cool option. Comes with Raptor lights up front. This grill comes with a sensor garnish so that it works for newer models for our 3rd gen Tacomas. It also has these Raptor lights up top right here that come in switchback, like the one we'll be installing today, as well as white. This is a really easy install when you don't have a front bumper like this, but we do have a front bumper and some of you may have a front bumper, so we'll show you how to do it. Okay, to start, you're gonna need a 10mm and a clip remover tool or a flathead screwdriver, whatever you have. And we're gonna remove these two 10mm bolts on the top behind the shroud, and then there's 2 clips on either side right by your headlights. And the bottom of the grill is being held in by a couple of tabs. You'll just need to get leverage and remove those first. And if you have a bull bar like this front bumper, that's when things can get a little tricky. Okay, so at this point, if you've removed your 2 10mm, your clips, and undone the tabs down at the bottom, if you don't have a bull bar like this, the whole grill itself should just be able to pull off this way. But because we have a bull bar, we get stuck right here. So for those of you that do have one, you'll need to kind of work it out on this side just by using a little bit of finesse. Okay, with a bull bar, once you get one side off and up, you should be able to just finesse the other side and get the whole thing off. Okay, so now we'll take off our OEM grill so that we can place our new Stealth grill on. In order to do that, there are 18 tabs located around the shroud that you'll need to undo. And what you're gonna wanna do is use some sort of pry tool or your hand and just kind of work each one of these tabs out until you can get the whole grill itself off of the shroud. Okay, once all those come off, your grill just comes straight off of your shroud like this, and now we're ready to place our new grill. Okay, then you'll take your new Stealth grill and just line it up with the tabs, and it should just click into place. Just kind of work your hand around the rim, make sure everything just clicks in. Make sure everything is securely fastened, and then flip the grill over and check and make sure all the tabs are like in. So when ordering this, you'll have 2 options, having the switchback or the white. If you order the white, it'll just be your positive wire and your grounding wire, and that will run thing white. If you order the switchback, that's when you'll get your red wire and your yellow wire and have the option between amber or white. So before we put it back in the truck, we'll do our wiring. You're gonna have an Adafuse to install to either your yellow wire or your red wire. If you install your Adafuse to the red wire, it's for the white Raptor lights. If you do it to the yellow, it's for the amber. For this specific build, we're gonna do it to the amber, so we added our Adafuse right here to the yellow wire. There will also be this black and red wire that you will hook your negative O-ring to, and this is just the grounding wire. Okay, when replacing your grill, you wanna place the bottom 6 tabs in first. This is a little bit trickier when you have a bull bar like us, but on your OEM Tacoma, it should just slide in and click, and then you can do your top bolts. But with us, we gotta kind of finagle this in. When you get it lined up, you'll feel the clips go into place, like so. Now you will replace your bolts and your clips. We'll start with the bolts right up top. And now we'll replace our clips. Make sure when replacing the clip that this little plunger is out. Place the clip in the hole until it falls into place. Once it's in, place the plunger down and it locks it in place. And then you'll place the next clip, and then push the plunger down. Okay, the wiring of this is very simple. You're just gonna pick a fuse that you want it to go into. We want ours to run with our headlights instead of just always be running when the car is running. We decided to do the low beam on our passenger side, and the classification is HLP right hand low. And if you want it running all the time, plug into your I&J fuse, which is your ignition. Okay, we're gonna run our grounding wire right here to this bolt on the side. You just unscrew the bolt and place your new, and then you want to be sure to tighten that back down. Okay, make sure that your fuse is placed in there correctly, and then go ahead and place your Adafuse. Okay, and then to make the wires so that they weren't just in the way, we just kind of zip tied them up and along the frame. This is not the prettiest wiring zip tie, but it'll work. All right, everybody, and this is our new Tacoma Lifestyle Stealth Grille. We love it. It matches really well with the amber DRLs that we have on our truck right here already. Thank you guys so much for watching. please be sure to like and subscribe and let us know what other installs you'd like us to do.